Hi there. Today's video, just a quick one. What I'm going to do is put some sort of switches, assorted things through a circuit board. This is a sort of screen off a radio I've had in pieces, and I just wanted to show a bit of a tip, I suppose. So we've got these. This is a rotary encoder. And it's got a threaded shaft, and that goes through the circuit board. So this one, when we attach the thread, I just pop that through the hole, plug it in to the plug here, and that just sits in there. And there's a key, like a flat section, so I turn it until it locks in place. So to actually retain this, all I need to do is I take this serrated washer, and that sits over down like that, and then there's a nut, a lock nut, which is easy enough. That just screws on, and to tighten that up I can use a socket, so long as it's narrow enough to get in, even though it's down the bottom of a hole, and I tighten that up like that. So that's easy enough, as long as you've got sockets. There's another method of doing it. So this one's already actually in place, which is another encoder, and that's got you can maybe just see the threads just down here. Yeah, but the nut for this is a threaded ring, and it's actually got on the other side just two little slots either side. So you can get a tool which is just the two prongs that goes into those slots and turns it like this. You'd maybe think you could use a screwdriver or something, and with some of the bigger ones you can, but with something small like this, if you get it in, you can see it's flush, it's down that hole, and there's obviously the bit in the middle. So there is a sort of quick and dirty way that you can do this, as long as you have a couple of sort of small screwdriver bits. These are just flat blades. So this will actually get in the. It's small enough to go in the slot, and also to fit in around the sort of protected raised section of the plastic. So I'm going to use this. I'm just going to use one to start with, and I'm going to get the nut started, which is a little bit fiddly, to be honest. It's a bit tricky to not get it cross-threaded, to be honest. There we go. That's right. So I've got it started now, so I can just spin it down as tight as I can with just one, which is there. But obviously that's going to work loose. It's wobbly already. So what I'm going to do is, with two of these, a similar size, and an adjustable spanner. And what I can do is pop one of them in one of the holes, just there, one of the slots, and the other one in the other one. So now I've got two prongs. So I take my adjustable, pop it on there, and then twist. And actually, the knob on this one is sufficiently thin that I can take the spanner all the way down to the bottom, which is going to help a lot. So it's a bit fiddly, but I hope you get the idea. And what I can just do is twist and get that nice and tight. So now that's securely locked in there, and that nut is done up pretty tight. So it's not going to come undone. That was basically it. It's one of those things that's relatively obvious, but once you figure it out, it's another tool in your arsenal of being able to put things together without needing the specific tool to do this, which would be sort of quite expensive, and certainly for a sort of a hobbyist, there's no need to have that tool in your toolbox. You'll come across it sort of once in a blue moon. So if you can improvise something and make it work, then all the better. Alright, I hope you found that useful. Please do let me know. Look out for other videos, like, subscribe, all that thing if you want to do it. And I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks, and bye-bye.